Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to add video and photo together on Instagram story. Now this is quite a simple and easy task, so make sure you follow me till the end to get an idea of how you can do this. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your story and select a video first. Once you have the video as the background, you can easily go ahead and click on stickers. It's this button right here. Once you do that, it'll give you an idea of what you can do. Just click on photo and go ahead and add any picture that you want. So you can select either a video or a photo and you can resize each of them independently. Just select any two corners and drag. Once you're happy with everything, you can go ahead and click on your story and it gets posted. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to add video and photo together on Instagram story. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.